If you've ever looked at your wilted houseplant and thought, "Why do my plants hate me?" You're not alone. It's a surprisingly common feeling, especially for plant lovers who pour time and effort into caring for their leafy friends, only to watch them slowly decline. But here's the truth. Your plants don't hate you. More likely, there's a disconnect between what they need and what they're getting. Let's break down the top reasons houseplants struggle and how you can turn things around. 1. Overwatering. Killing them with kindness. One of the most common reasons houseplants fail is overwatering. It's easy to think more water equals more love, but in reality, too much water suffocates roots and leads to rot. The signs? Yellowing leaves, soggy soil, and a plant that looks limp despite regular watering fix it. Check that your pot has drainage holes. Let the top inch or two of soil dry before watering again. If the plant smells musty or the roots feel mushy, it might be time to repot with fresh, well-draining soil too. Underwatering, the silent struggle. On the flip side, underwatering is another plant killer, especially for busy or forgetful plant parents. When soil goes bone dry and pulls away from the edges of the pot, roots can't absorb water efficiently. Signs: crispy leaves, drooping stems, and dry soil. Fix it. Give the plant a good soak and drain. Then set a watering reminder that suits your plant's actual needs, not just a one-size-fits-all Schedule 3. Incorrect lighting. The unseen killer light is life for plants, and not getting the right type or amount can quietly stunt or kill them. Each plant has its own light preference, and misplacing one in the wrong spot is like parking a solar panel in the shade. Signs of too little light: pale leaves, leggy stems, no new growth. Signs of too much: burned spots, crispy edges. Fix it. Figure out your window directions and match plants accordingly. A snake plant might thrive in low light, while a fiddle leaf fig will sulk without bright indirect light. 4. Poor potting choices and soil issues. Many problems stem from the wrong pot or soil. A pot without drainage traps water, while compacted soil suffocates roots. Also, when a plant becomes root-bound, it outgrows its home and struggles to absorb nutrients. Fix it. Repot your plant with fresh, well-draining soil and a container that has drainage holes. If roots are circling tightly, gently loosen them before planting. 5. Environmental stress. Dry air, drafts, and drama. Indoor environments can be harsher than they look. Tropical plants hate dry air, sudden drafts, or cold windowsills. If your plant is browning at the tips or dropping leaves suddenly, temperature or humidity might be the issue. Fix it. Keep plants away from heaters, vents,